Hello friends and welcome. Are you ready to play Which One is Missing? Look closely at these pictures. Computer, plant, clock, treehouse. Let's look again. Computer, plant, clock, treehouse. Have a look. Do you know which one is missing? Computer, clock, treehouse. The plant was missing. Very good. Look closely at these pictures. Umbrella, cake, crown, butterfly. Let's look again. Umbrella, cake, crown, butterfly. Have a look. Do you know which one is missing? Umbrella, cake, butterfly. The crown was missing. Yes. Look closely at these pictures. Bathtub, owl, apple, canoe. Let's look again. Bathtub, owl, apple, canoe. Have a look. Do you know which one is missing? Owl, apple, canoe. The bathtub was missing. Great job. Look closely at these pictures. Helmet, backpack, magazine, hat. Let's look again. Helmet, backpack, magazine, hat. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Helmet, backpack, hat. The magazine was missing. Excellent job. Look closely at these pictures. Swimming, clothes, letters, walking. Let's have another look. Swimming, clothes, letters, walking. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Swimming, clothes, walking. The letters were missing. Yes. Look closely at these pictures. Yoga class, dancing, crying, playing. Let's look again. Yoga class, dancing, crying, playing. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Dancing, crying, playing. The yoga class was missing. Very good. Look closely at these pictures. Painting, bowl of fruit, toaster, banana. Let's look again. Painting, bowl of fruit, toaster, banana. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Painting, bowl of fruit, banana. The toaster was missing. Great job. Look closely at these pictures. Running, hat, penguins, chalkboard. Let's look again. Running, hat, penguins, chalkboard. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Running, hat, chalkboard. The penguins were missing. Great job. Look closely at these pictures. Basketball, cheese, plate, fish. Let's look again. Basketball, cheese, plate, fish. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Basketball, plate, fish. The cheese was missing. Excellent job. Look closely at these pictures. Monkey, chicken, present, basket. Let's look again. Monkey, chicken, present, basket. One picture is missing. Do you know which one it is? Monkey, chicken, present. The basket was missing. Very good. Excellent job today, friends. You have a great memory. Thank you for learning with Chatterbox English. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time. Bye!